Welcome back. Still tuned into Market Sense. Let's get in a check as to how the broader markets are currently shaping up. As pointed out, it has been a slight outperformance when compared to the benchmark indices, which now are close to the lowest point of the day at 52.20. Let's see some of the stocks that are coming under pressure for the broader markets. You've got a Chennai Petroleum, that counter off by close to 5%. Deccan Chronicle, there's been quite a bit of negative news that has been reeling around that one, so 3.5%. Now it's a 12 rupee stock. Apart from that, you've got a Sterling Biotech as well as an Indian bank, which are down and out. Bajaj Hindustan, so it's been fairly volatile for the entire sugar pack, but today seeing a bit of weakness in Bajaj Hindustan as well as a Balrampur Chini. Apart from that, BEML, Karur Vysya Bank and Bank of Maharashtra are some of the stocks which are losing a bit of sheen in today's session. On the gaining side, though, you can see that most of the paper stocks, on the back of the news that has been going around that international paper is likely to take over Andhra paper, you have seen a little bit of activity there. West Coast paper down, but a Rama newsprint, as you saw on your screen, on the back of pretty strong volume activity, was holding up, but most of these counters have erased their gains. Mozarbeer, KSK Energy Ventures as well as Emphasis are some of the other top gainers.
All right, we've got Mr. Umesh Parekh, who's Managing Director at Shree Ganesh Jewelry House, joining us on the phone line from Kolkata. Mr. Parekh, gold prices at a record high. How are you seeing demand likely to play out because of this one factor?
This quarter, I think the demand should pick up, even though the prices have reached, record high, because the seasons, the marriage seasons and the Diwali seasons of take and Puja seasons are three main seasons. They are coming up. Of course, when the prices go up, generally we tend to believe that the demand would go down. But in this case, people have started thinking. The general scenario is that the prices may go up further, so it is better to buy now.
Mr. Parekh, just wanted to know, the kind of sales that you're expecting from your company in light of the festive season, as you pointed out, as well as the wedding season that is gradually approaching.
Yes. This second quarter, we expect sales from my retail. We have 46 stores in Pan India. We expect a sale of around 700 crores for the this quarter.
All right, and apart from that, can you just walk us through the kind of trajectory that you're looking at in terms of revenue? Where do you see your revenues headed?
Revenue overall retail scenario is we expect this year around 2,000 crores in top line and 200 crores in bottom line across my 46 stores.
Right, Mr. Parekh, also a quick word on the outlook for gold prices. It's approaching the 32,000 mark, the spot price that is. Where do you see it headed? Do you believe that, we're going to see gold climb much further, or, possibly that we are approaching resistance levels?
The gold prices are affected by two things. The Indian currency, which is at all-time high, 56, 57 right now, to a dollar. And second important factor is the global instability in European market. European market is very, very unstable right now. And my personal view is because the gold would go up with the instability in international market, I see Indian gold definitely going to 40,000 by December.
40,000 by December. All right, Mr. Parekh, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining us on the phone line.
Thank you.
Talking to us about Ganesh Jewelry's business outlook, sales outlook really over the festival season, and also talking to us about the outlook on the price of gold.